Sheep rearing is very profitable. Meat, milk and fur are available simultaneously from sheep. It costs less but the profit is much higher. After the success of sheep rearing, young entrepreneurs are leaning towards it. Sheep rearing can play an important role in the employment of unemployed people as well as in the national economy. The demand for its meat is huge due to its high taste and nutritional value. Sheep rearing is increasing day by day due to good prices. Sheep roam in groups. Sheep like to eat in the pasture. Like goats, they like climber and leaves of shrubs very much. If there is a lack of food, the sheep may have eaten hay. Food should be given at the scheduled time every day. Adequate amount of raw grass should be given to male sheep used for breeding. Male sheep used for breeding do not have body odor and can be kept in groups. Usually one male sheep is required for 10 female sheep. Sheep usually conceive at 180 days of age. The gestation period is 145 to 150 days. When sheep are excited to breed, cows don't call as much as goats. They give birth twice a year, gives an average of 2 babies each time. But some species give birth to only 1 lamb a year. Sheep selection is an important step for the farm. The profit of the farm depends on the selection of healthy vigorous sheep of high productive breeds. Healthy sheep aged 6 to 12 months should be selected for rearing. Sheep have good immunity. Open and elevated areas should be selected for sheep housing. The house should be comfortable. It is better to build a sheep house on the platform. In this case, the house will be less dirty. The height of the platform should be 5 feet. Build houses using readily available and inexpensive building materials. Houses should be built with ventilation system from the south and east. Stay with us to watch the next video. Thanks everyone.